I see the possibilities of a person. With business, it's about who are you servicing and are they better when they leave? Thanks to She's Connected by AT&T, Daisy is paving the way for the next generation of healthcare professionals looking through the lens of possibility.
Hi, is this Aneesa? We are thrilled to let you know that you are the winner of this year's She's Connected by AT&T contest.
I am Aneesa Getaneh. I'm a wife, a mom of 5, and I am the founder of Daisy Medical Institute. Daisy is the award that they give to extraordinary nurses. Daisy is also my grandmother's name. You know, I lost my father, and then he was no longer there. When you lose something, you start to really connect with other people, and you understand how other people feel. I want Daisy to be that safe haven for people that most people don't think about, especially foster youth. I was introduced to entrepreneurship really early. My mom was a paralegal for years. Then on the weekends, she had different businesses. I just wanted to emulate that. It wasn't that I was a poor kid. It was just more like, okay, my mom's doing that, so what can I do? This is a divine path. At 17, I went to college, and then I got pregnant. I started as a nurse assistant out of a need. So I started volunteering at this other hospital that I wanted to work at. And this lady walks up to me and she says, "You are really good." You know, she's just watching. And I said, "Well, I have my bachelor's degree in public health. I'm applying for the master's of nursing." And she says, "Well, I'm the program director of this CNA school. I want you to come and teach for me." That actually opened up all of this because she taught me how to build curriculum. Daisy is not just a CNA school. We partner with organizations based off of the need of our population. We teach about financial literacy, how to fill out the W-2s and your deductions and things that people don't realize that marginalized groups have no idea about. Giving people purpose, helping them to identify who they are and what they can do, I think is so important, especially for foster youth.
I was in foster care at 15, 16. Daisy Institute, in one word, it would be motivating. Being here definitely brings a sense of community and connection.
Daisy is first of its kind. We are a testing center in LA, and we're also expanding to South Africa. Technology plays a big part in that. Technology influences the amount of money people make, how they connect with their classmates, with their families. All of those things are 100% important now for our business. I hire all women. When you give a woman community, when you give her connections, when you give her resources, it just goes further. So winning the She's Connected by AT&T grant, I said I wanted to invest in my team. And so I made sure all of us went out and became BLS instructors. It's bringing more visibility to what we've been doing. It gave me access to these incredible spaces like Shine Away, where there were other women entrepreneurs building great businesses. So now that I am the 2024 grant winner, it just really showed me that anything is possible. I literally don't see the boundaries or the barriers.
Welcome to the She's Connected by AT&T community, Aneesa.
We share the stories of women who are reaching for greater possibilities, and we're excited to share yours.
Connecting changes everything.